Hello guys, in this video, I'm replacing the stock side mirror with the Street King side mirror and with the rear view mirror adapter, kit riser mount extender. Thanks for watching.